Recipe for raising baby goats on a bottle with homemade goat formula. There's nothing left. You already drank it all. Nothing left, teeny. It's empty. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 gallon of whole milk, fresh or pasteurized, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg. This is optional. Whisk all the ingredients together to mix thoroughly. Set the bottles with the milk, this is not a good picture, in hot water to warm up prior to giving to the babies. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to a week, and it'll be ready anytime you want to heat it up and feed it to your baby goats. You don't need a lot of fancy equipment, just a pop bottle and a nipple from your livestock supply chain store that fits on a pop bottle. As the baby gets older, you'll want to increase the size of the pop bottle, and prior to weaning, they might be in a 1-liter bottle once a day. And as you can see, goats are messy eaters. I hope this recipe helps you in some way. Thank you for letting me share. If you like baby goats, we have a whole playlist just for you of baby goat content. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.